and for your support. So here I am preparing dinner. Naka-live din nung. Sis, una ako matulog. Sige lang sis Nor, salamat. Salamat sa support. Sino naka-live ng loads? Si Ading Charles? Night sis Rain from Inangkum. Sis Kat from sis Nor. Sweet Dream sis Nor, salamat sa support. Maya puntahan ko yung channel mo. Kung meron kang bagong upload. Napanood ko yata yung yung last na upload mo. Good night, sis Nor from sis Bebang. Ayan, ganda ng ni sis Bebang. 47 visitors in the house. Mega shout out. So, ayan guys, lagyan natin ng asin bago natin lutuin. Ayan yung gamit natin. What we call this again. So normally guys, pag nagano sila, nilalagyan nila ng asin. And then, mix nila yung patatas bago iprito. Ayan. Ayan. So, magluluto na tayo kasi nakailang minutes na ba ako? Oy! It's already 44 minutes. Yan guys, yung natin, bonyato. So, ayan, luto na tayo. Ayan. Masyado bang Ay, na lang sa kabila ito. Mas maganda dito yung fire. Magluluto na tayo guys, ha? So we are going to cook. Hello, my life sunny side up, bestie, hello. So we are here, we are now going to cook. Guys, we are using here virgin olive oil. Ayan, virgin pa siya. Sis Katya. Yung oil natin virgin pa. Ano ba yun? Virgin pa yung oil natin, sis Katya. Lagyan pa ng dapat marami kasi siyang oil para hindi siya magdikit pa. Papaya? No, it's not papaya. My life sunny side up. Hello, bestie. Thank you so much for your support. What is this? Christmas blessing, Leilani, bestie, and friends. Thank you so much, dear bestie. Thank you so much for dropping and for your support. Ayan. So guys, we are going to fry first the onion. So, ito yung kinat natin kanina. So, bestie, we are going to cook tortilla de patata or potato omelette. Wow! Thank you so much! Thank you so much for sharing the blessings. Love you, bestie. Merry, beautiful Christmas. Thank you so much. Love you too, my bestie. I will visit you later. Thank you. So here I am, again cooking and cooking. So 41 visitors in the house. Thank you so much for dropping by and for your support.